Hey guys! So I'm coming to you today to chat about the new moon and specifically using crystals to enhance your new moon experience. So there are actually two different ways that you can apply crystals to whatever your personal new moon ceremony is, and we're going to talk about both of those today. So let's dive in. So first, if you do a pretty traditional new moon intention setting ceremony, you already know that new moons are times of regeneration, new beginning, transformation, setting new goals, and getting that energy going, right, for whatever this new goal is. So you can pick crystals that align with that sense of clarity, of setting intention, of envisioning what's ahead of you, right? And so those would be third eye or crown chakra crystals. So you've got amethyst, purple fluorite, girasol, clear quartz, howlite. Pick your favorite third eye or crown chakra crystals and you're good to go. And you can just apply that to your intention setting ceremony. If you've never done one before but would like to, I actually have a guide that you can grab that walks you through the different steps, as well as a recording if you want to have me guide you through that process. So you can get either of those down in the links below. It's a free guide that you can download, or you can purchase my recording to walk you through every step, and you can use that every single new moon. So the other way to use your crystals during a new moon is to choose a crystal that is going to help you with whatever that goal is. So let's say you finished your new moon intention setting ceremony and now you want to start working on that goal. So what's a crystal that represents that goal for you? Let's say financial abundance with citrine, or finding romance with rose quartz, or gaining new health with tiger eye, or carnelian for digestion, or things like this. So, right, so you can pick whatever your crystal is that's going to represent that goal for you. And then you're going to go through the process of cleansing and charging that crystal so that it has all of that energy of that goal built into it. So this is really a great two-step process, starting with that intention setting ceremony, then going and picking the crystal that will work for that particular goal. And then you're going to go ahead and cleanse and charge it. And I actually have a whole video on that for you. So I'll give you a little pin up here and a link to that so we don't have to go through it all right this second. So you can watch that video if you haven't gone through that process before. Then once you have cleansed and charged the crystal you're going to work with for this moon cycle, then you want to make sure you put it in a special place. So if it's crystal jewelry, like I've got my necklace here, right? This is actually my Mercury retrograde necklace for this time that we're going through right now as I record this video. But you can pick any jewelry and wear that every day. Or if it's not going to be jewelry, you can set it up in a space that aligns with that goal. So if it is a business goal, you could set that into your office area. If it's to get better sleep, obviously you could put that in the bedroom. If it is for weight loss, you could put that in the kitchen or the dining table. So you're going to choose the space where you're going to see it most often when you're working on that goal. That way it has pride of place. It's infusing that area of your home with its energy constantly. And because, as you know, crystals have a very stable vibration, whatever you charge into it, it's going to continue to radiate that energy and help do some of the work for you. Your other option, kind of your 2B option, I guess, is to use the same principle but apply it to an entire crystal grid. So we have a crystal grid workshop as well, this particularly for abundance, but it shows you how to set that up, and you would actually refresh it every new moon, either with the same intention or changing the intention of that grid, depending on whether or not you've reached that particular goal. So new moons are times of restarting, refreshing, transforming, new goals, new intentions, and you'll want to help you during that process of setting those intentions to use one of the clarity, wisdom, envisioning crystals from the third eye or crown chakras. And then you can pick a crystal that fits that goal and you can infuse it with the affirmation that you would have created during your new moon intention setting. That's going to carry you throughout that moon cycle in whatever space it is or on your body to help you with that goal. Hope that helps. I would love to know, what is your favorite new moon crystal? Put that below. If you want to download the new moon process for the intention setting ceremony, there is a link to that free guide down below as well. So have a beautiful, beautiful new moon, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.